So stay tuned if you want to see what I purchased on Amazon in the month of December 2020. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below, hit the notification bell right next to the subscribe button, and hit the like button for this video if you want to see more content like it. Hey you guys, so in my last video or so, I talked about some 2021 goals that I have for myself, and aside from like health related goals and all that, I had some personal goals, and one of those was to be more intentional. That's my word of the year: intentionality, intentional. So with that, to get some accountability, I thought at the end of each month I will go over everything I purchased on Amazon with you guys and show you that. So I'm going to start a new series of everything I purchased in the month of, and this will be for the month of December 2020. So I'm starting it now in January. I just thought it would be fun to go ahead and get a jump start on that. So stay tuned if you want to see what I purchased on Amazon in the month of December 2020. Okay, so I kind of recently decided that I was going to start this series talking about everything I purchased on Amazon for the prior month. This one would be for the month of December 2020. And so in December, I hadn't really decided that this is what I was going to do. So this will be really interesting to see how much money I spent and or what I spent my money on. I'm going to be brutally honest, let you guys see everything that I purchased. I will actually put pictures of everything right here. I will put the link of everything that I talk about down below. And without further ado, let's jump in to see what I spent my money on. All right, so starting with, it looks like December 2nd. December 2nd, I bought one of these soft boxes for lighting in here so I can actually still do videos at night, which is really great. And then I also bought the cell phone tripod, 27 to 80 inch adjustable phone video stand, which is what my phone is on right now that I'm recording with. Both of those total were like $85.42. That was December 2nd. And then I placed an order on December 1st, but it was returned. It was a MacBook cover for my mother-in-law. We were giving her my old computer. It didn't end up working out, so she'll get something else, but I did return that, and that was $21.49, so I did get that refund already. On December 3rd, I purchased Wilson racquetballs, a 3-ball can. That was for the dogs. Especially Gracie, our older one, they're both laying right here. She really loves racquetballs. And then on December 5th, so those were $6.48 if I didn't say that. Then on December 5th, on December 4th, sorry, the order was placed on the 4th. Oh, I was reading when they were delivered, but regardless, I'm going in order. So order placed on the 4th, delivered on the 5th was a 3-pack of baseballs, Rawlings official baseballs. Those were $10.81. They were essentially like $9.99. And those are really more for Daisy. She likes those. So actually Gracie will, like, this sounds gross, but skin the baseball. And then Daisy loves to carry around the skin of the baseball. So weird. I love my dogs. They're so funny. December 4th, I placed an order that was then delivered on the 6th for $32.42, and it was for these disposable coffee cups with lids. Those were actually for the salon. It was a 50-pack of paper coffee cups, and they're really cute. I'll like zoom in on what they say here so that you guys can see that. Those are cute to have. And then December 4th, it says, so same day that I ordered that, I actually purchased the second soft box that I got, so that I have 2 now, so it's way more lit up, which is really nice. So again, especially at night. So that was, the single one was $47.92. On December 5th, I placed an order for Nutramax Dasaquin with MSM Soft Chews Small Medium Dog 84 count, and a Greenies Original Teeny Natural Dog Dental Care Chews, 18 ounce. It's a pack of 4, and that was $55.96. So that total for the dog's care is $108.90. And those are 2 things that we like consistently purchase always for the dogs, especially those joint, the Nutramax Desiquin chews are like joint care chews for the dogs. On December 6th, I placed an order that was then delivered on the 7th for $23.69 for these 100-piece 3-ply black disposable face shield filter protection. Again, for the salon, I wear these there. On December 9th, I placed an order for a Smart Dog Suction Cup dog toy for $14.04. I have since sent it back and got refunded for that. I said in an earlier video, like things that I no longer purchase were dog toys. Usually we just buy ropes and tie that up, and they love to like tug and play and pull with those. But I actually, I saw this and I thought that would be so great for Daisy. She loves to play like tug with a rope and ball and all that. And so if we're not here, maybe she would want to do that. However, I couldn't get it to suction down to the floor. And my husband was kind of nervous because she can tug, that it might like pull up a tile or something. And so it just was better just to send it back and not even worry about it. So I got that $14 back on December 12th, and it was also delivered December 12th. I ordered 2 dog clipper blade. Dog clipper blades are different than people clipper blades. So I cut my dog's hair like I do their grooming for the most part. I have a grooming table downstairs. And so I purchased these. There was a carbon infused steel ultra edge dog clipper blade size 4 with a skip tooth. I thought that would be good for their legs. And then I had to order another basically size 10 clipper guard clipper. Because the one I have, like, it's kind of rusted a little bit. I keep them outside, and I've like since having to order another one, have kept them like more covered. But that one had kind of rusted, and so it wasn't like when I would turn the clippers on, it sounded real rough, like it was running real rough. So I just ordered a new one, and then I decided that I really didn't want a second one. And so I tried to return it, and they were not accepting a return on that. They did give me like a, I don't know, like a $10 credit or something. It didn't matter. Regardless, I will use it. So it was one of those things like lesson learned. I didn't think about that one long enough. So that total of those two were $53.41, if I didn't say that already. On December 13th, I placed the order for the inserts, the Disc Agenda clear inserts here, ringed inserts for my planner. I purchased them. I purchased one in the rose gold, which I kept, and one in the gold. They were each $16.90, so the total was $36.58. I have since returned and received my money back for the set of gold rings. On December 18th, I purchased L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Original Volume Building Curved Brush Mascara Black Brown. So that was $6.84. But I actually had, I think, gift cards that I received from some clients for Christmas. So I was able to put that towards it, $6.84. But I've not seen the Black Brown at my local store, which I am more like, the black mascara works just fine. I don't see a huge difference in it, but I thought, hey, I'll try the Black Brown. That's what I've been using. It's fine, just like the black is, but that is definitely my favorite mascara by far. And I kind of like, so that was December 18th. At that point, we knew we were going out of town, and so it was coming up, and I didn't want to order a lot of things to then like stuff be coming while we're gone. That happened anyway, not from Amazon though, because I waited until December 28th, which we were, I guess, kind of in the middle of our trip at that point, but the delivery date I chose to be like a week out from that. So like January 4th, which would be tomorrow. I ordered 4 things. The three out of 4 I was able to order and choose Monday, January 4th to be the delivery date, so I knew that we would be back. One was a new Vera Bradley like medicine case to put in my purse. This one is like a solid purple. It's called Elderberry. It was $23.89. And then the other 2 things are things for my planner. One is the A5 blank paper refills for Filofax planner organizer binder, 6-hole punched, blah, blah, blah. There's 300 sheets, 600 pages because it's front and back. And that is what I will print out the Etsy files from that I purchased for my YouTube planning and all that. And then the other one is a different insert for the interior of this to see if those rings fit better in this, if I can like make them fit better. And that was, okay, so that paper was $13.99 and that ring insert is $10.89. And then the last thing that was also placed on December 28th it's called Repesco Adjustable 6-Hole Organizer and Diary Punch in powder blue. So my Cricut is like this powder blue color. I try to kind of stick with that blue and like pink theme within my craft room. So it fit perfectly in with what I needed it for. It's not coming until January 6th through 7th, and that'll be perfect for anything that I want to hole punch and put into my agenda. It's great. It actually adjusts so that you can make it fit larger styles of paper, but it also has like a measurement on it that shows you where you need to put the foot of the adjuster so that it is going to fit like that A5 paper. Now that paper that I purchased that's blank is already pre-hole punched, but this is for any future things that I would want to hole punch and put in there and have quick access to. I also own a laminator, which I was using earlier today because we got all of our new insurance cards in and all that, and I like to laminate them so that they last longer in my wallet.
Nerd alert.
So that will be arriving January 6th through 7th. So that was $19.48. I don't know if I said that, but those last 4 items, the hole punch, the insert for my agenda, the blank paper, the Vera Bradley travel pill case, and actually even that mascara was all purchased with gift cards. So I will total all this up and tell you guys what the total was spent. And then also I will tell you, you know, what I saved using gift cards. So give me just a second. Okay. All right, I got it. So my total spent in the month of December on Amazon, which I find this to be pretty low, was $516.25. Now, when I subtract the gift cards that I spent on there, which the total of gift cards I spent was $75.09, that makes it $441.16. Then if I subtract the returns that I got, which the total of returns was $52.43, so that made it $388.73. And then when I subtract the salon purchases, which were $56.11, and that went through like my salon card, my grand total that I spent on Amazon this month out of like personal pocket for home stuff, dog stuff, whatever, was $332.62. I find that to be incredibly low. So maybe it's not. Let me know if I'm like crazy in the comments below. But so yeah, the total, that very first total, the $516.25 includes everything I purchased for the month, including all the returns and the gift cards that I had used towards it and blah, blah, blah. So that was just the total. And then I subtracted the gift cards that were gifts to me, and that brought it to that number. And then I subtracted the things that I also returned and got that money back, which was that. And then the salon purchases, which were through the salon card. The only thing I didn't include was the like credit that I received from Amazon, which I think was like a $10 credit. So that would make it $322.62. But I just didn't think that was that important. That will go towards something for my house anyway, something for the dogs, whatever. So that is everything I purchased in the month of December 2020. This is the beginning of the series of what I bought in the month of. So you can expect those videos now to be at the beginning of each month, as I am like beginning to middle of each month, as I look back on the month prior and see what I purchased. You guys can hold me accountable to some things. It'll be really fun. So I think my husband will appreciate this whole series because it will be eye-opening, to say the least. So I think that my thought is there are going to be some months that are more than others, because there are some months that like I need to buy more things for the dogs meaning like their joint treats and all that kind of stuff. There's birthday months. I think July is a huge birthday month for us on his side of the family, like just stuff like that. And I think that those things will bring a balance when you have the other months that aren't as crazy. So with all that said, I hope you enjoyed the first video in the series of what I bought in the month of on Amazon. So I will talk to you guys next time. Bye. Gotta start it. So stay tuned if you want to see what I purchased on Amazon. Did I say 2021? B. Now I have decided that my money on you guys.